everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing something truly magical, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro Harry Potter edition. Globally, this phone will launch between June 17th and 19th under the name Poco F7. And trust me, this one's special. From a dual-themed design that brings Harry Potter and Voldemort face-to-face, to a fully customized UI, magical accessories, and even a wand-inspired Bluetooth speaker, this is not your average smartphone unboxing. Let's dive into the box and get our first impressions of this wizarding wonder. You won't want to miss this. Let's get started. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Today, we're unboxing the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro, the special Harry Potter edition, which will launch globally as the Poco F7. Along with it, we've got 4 magical accessories: a themed keyboard and mouse, speakers, and a power bank. Let's dive in, starting with the box, a striking blue with gold accents and packed with wizarding charm. Let's take a closer look at the magical details. The box is filled with iconic Harry Potter elements, from the golden snitch and platform 94 to Quidditch motifs, house symbols, and even a wizard's staff. The blue and gold outer packaging proudly displays both the Harry Potter and Redmi branding. Opening the box feels ceremonial, almost like unlocking a magical Pandora's box. Inside, you get a custom Harry Potter-themed phone case, a velvet-textured accessory resembling Luna Lovegood's father's necklace, and a unique Hogwarts-style manual that feels like an acceptance letter. You'll also find 3 collectible stickers, a beautifully designed SIM ejector pin, a character silhouette card, and a mystery element to test your wizarding knowledge. Now to the phone itself. The back features a stunning Harry Potter design, and the display carries a cinematic look. Even the charger and cable are themed with the Harry Potter insignia. Overall, the package is packed with magical, film-inspired details that truly bring the wizarding world to life. Let's zoom out and take it all in. Let's start with the design of the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro Harry Potter edition. The phone showcases a dual-theme body with a unique light and mist texture, split into 2 visual halves. The top half features silhouettes of Harry, Ron, and Hermione bravely facing the dark arts, while the bottom depicts Voldemort, symbolizing the final battle. Together, they tell a story of growth, courage, and destiny, echoing the journey of hunting Horcruxes and Harry's iconic face-off with Voldemort. Personally, the moment that stands out most to me is from the Goblet of Fire, when Harry finally confronts Voldemort head-on. That scene perfectly captures bravery. The back design uses a 3D levitation process, giving it depth and a premium feel. The camera module is styled with a dual-slanted deco, adding to its polished look. Tilt it slightly, and you'll catch a red shimmer across the back. Subtle yet striking. Holding this phone in your hand, it's instantly recognizable and truly magical. Now let's take a quick look inside the system. The boot animation features a castle gate-style Xiaomi logo, setting the magical tone right away. The game center is themed like the iconic wizard's chess scene with Ron, while the photo gallery resembles a hand-drawn Hogwarts castle. Even the clock widget gets a vintage magical makeover, with animated clock hands that spin as you flip through pages, an enchanting touch of detail. Overall, the UI is rich in Harry Potter elements, blending nostalgia with creativity. And that wraps up the phone overview. Now let's check out the next item, the Harry Potter-themed Bluetooth speaker. It features shimmering gold text on a patterned surface with a medieval vintage vibe. On the side, there's a detailed pendant, styled after the Elder Wand with Harry Potter branding and the spell Expecto Patronum engraved on a small tag. The pendant doubles as a keychain, and honestly, it's crafted with surprising elegance. Next up is the Harry Potter co-branded power bank. It has a 5,500 mAh capacity and features a stylish lattice texture. A built-in Type-C cable tucks neatly into the body, doubling as a lanyard loop for easy carrying. Compact and cleverly designed, it's perfect to hang on your bag, almost looking like a magical little gadget on the go. Let's talk about the final 2 items in this magical unboxing, the Xiaomi Mouse X1 and the MK71 Pro mechanical keyboard, both in the Harry Potter edition. Together, they showcase a unified Hogwarts-inspired design that feels premium and immersive. The Mouse X1 is Xiaomi's first dual 8K mouse, offering 8,000 Hz polling in wired mode for ultra-low latency, perfect for smooth, spellbinding gameplay. The MK71 Pro keyboard features stunning Harry Potter elements: house crests, Harry's glasses, his wand, and even the iconic floating feather from the first spell lesson. The backspace key is inscribed with Expecto Patronum, and there's an LCD screen that lights up with Harry Potter imagery. Key feedback is crisp with excellent noise damping, making it great for both gaming and work. Altogether, these 4 Harry Potter-themed Xiaomi accessories are packed with rich details and nostalgic design. A true treat for fans. Let us know your favorite in the comments. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Also, don't forget to follow us on X for the latest updates and insights from the world of technology. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day, keep smiling, and I'll catch you in the next one.